How do I prepare a prior year return in TurboTax Online? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can prepare a prior year return in TurboTax. For this, you want to open the TurboTax software on your device. Now make sure to sign into your account. Here, you want to click on the search icon at the top. Then you want to search prior year tax return over here. Now, you can also file your 2022 taxes or 2021 taxes by clicking on these links. Now, to file 2023 taxes, you want to select the TurboTax product from here. Go ahead and click on the Buy Now option. Now, you will have to select your operating system. Select PC or Windows or Mac. Now, the downloading will begin. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, you want to open that. Now, you want to complete your return for that year. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. When you are done, the steps to print and mail your return will also be on the software itself. Unfortunately, TurboTax no longer sells it for the year before 2021 or earlier, but you can download the forms and instructions from the IRS and most state tax websites. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.